officially Shanae's birthday. My birthday is International Shanae Day. I got like 3 texts this morning saying happy birthday. I'm really grateful. So big up on myself. Yeah. Remember? Thank you very much. You're gonna remember now, you know. So go type down below happy birthday to Shanae. That's my voice is coarse because I just woke up and I'm going to get my hair done. I don't know how me I do it by myself, you know? Yeah, so I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna get the hair prepared so I can put on. Don't judge me now. Don't judge me. Yeah, I'm gonna get my hair done. Yeah, so it's me install a slave this week for my prince. Slave? Yeah, watch me slave this week. Okay, then, so officially I was consider my hair listed. But yesterday I was not feeling no vibe at all. No, but not vibe. I said I was not feeling no vibe, but I was just, so not in the mood. Cause I'm like saying nobody's really is gonna remember my birthday. Okay, so guys, right now I am preparing the wig to go on my head. I know it does not look like I'm excited, but I'm really excited. I just have that face, those type of face. Guys, I'm so happy that I lived to see 22. I'm really, really happy and grateful to Father God because a lot of people want to live and see 22, but unfortunately they did not make it. So that one milestone in my life, and I'm really grateful for all of you guys' support, your encouraging words in the comment section. Some people they text me outside and encourage me. I really appreciate everybody. I really appreciate you guys. So right now the lady just putting the glue stick on the ear, right? To lay the wig back so I can put on the wig on the head, right? On my head. So I just put in the glue stick, Not glue stick, wax stick, my bad. Yeah. Guys, you know me is an official DIY girly. I do everything by myself. I don't know what I do by myself because I believe in the cheapness of things. I believe that if you can do it yourself, try and feel one day we get perfect. Guys, I've been putting on wigs from like last year, and then so I'm just gonna, right, I don't know if you guys try look one thing, but I've been improving and improving a whole lot, and I'm really proud of myself. I'm gonna go and watch the video. I'm gonna speed it up because it's a lengthy video. I'm gonna speed it up. But right now I'm just a hot comb the ear to make it lie back, down, and bango. So guys, enjoy my video. I'm so happy that you guys are watching my videos. I appreciate everybody that supports me and support my channel. God bless you and keep you. So I'm just gonna clean my hairline. I think to me look forward because I'm using now. So see with alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and cotton ball. This, they say this is supposed to like improve the adhesiveness of the glue. I mean, okay. Yeah, feels tingling, when you put alcohol. It feels so nice and cool, Yeah. But yeah. I have my birthday, I just want to feel pretty. It's not a crime. I just want to feel pretty. I want to do my hair and feel so elegant and pretty. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Okay. This one look like cool. I think I'm gonna use my mic. So give me a second. Guys, I changed myself. I'm supposed to mic up, but the mic's right there. Okay. I did not know that they. I thought that they were, had that. Anyway, they're charging now, so maybe another time. I hope you guys are hearing me. So, okay. Alright, so this is the cap that I'm going to be putting on. It's a weekend. I don't know. I just don't know the point of putting on a weekend. This is supposed to purpose the life. But, girl, that don't work. Boy, that don't work. Whoever's running this, that don't work. Okay? I'm going to bring it. So, and then, spray. I got my nose. And then, I'm gonna back. Okay. Put on this on low. Low. Don't judge me. Don't judge my edges. Alright, so now I'm gonna be using my coat. Another cap. Put it over this. Yeah, that's how they do it. Hard? I don't know. Anyway, I don't think they put it on so far. Trying to still search for mine. See this. I can't see. Found them. Even safe, even first. Yeah. No? Yeah. That's something great. I think like birthdays are needed. Like I just don't know. It's something. But like when it comes to my birthday recently, it's like yeah, it makes me feel like nobody even remember you. You know, I thought it was and I remember a lot of people's birthday. It's so crazy. Yeah, but I guess yeah. I mean that I just think like as I said, this is my personal opinion. Some people they don't think birthdays are a big deal. They don't think people have a day. You was on a date. I think uh, God blessed you on this earth, you know, for other people to enjoy your blessings and how you know the type of person you are, grace this earth, you know. So I really just think that birthdays are a big deal to me. And it's okay if you don't share the same sentiments. Because a lot of Christians, they don't believe in birthdays. Because, yeah, Joseph, where on the birthday after, yeah, her dad asked her what she wanted, and she wanted I don't remember the John the Baptist. I think it's John the Baptist. She wanted his head. So for that, some Christians, but I love birds. I think they signify milestone success, you know, cause and blessings. If you don't share the same sentiments, it's really okay for you to have your own opinion. But I'm going to enjoy today. Yeah, why not? I'm enjoy my birthday and watch Kit Kat and let's have fun. And I said, jump up and down. I sing, oh, holy night. Guys, I find my God. My one of my all-time favorite song is "Oh Holy Land." It's heaven. I like that one, and I also love the precious Lamb of God. For you not to sin. I love that song. If you know that song, yeah. The reason why I actually know that song is because I was a part of the drama club in primary school. And we sang that song and did that part. I think I was one of the main the song I don't remember. I think I was Mary or I was the Three Wise Man. One of them. I don't remember honestly, but I remember singing that song. Yeah, one of the cool drama. And I was a part of the choir too. I was a part of 4-H too, 4-H club and spelling bee as a part of the quiz team. I have to be really quiet because I'm focused. I think I'm improving now a lot. I don't think I'm there yet for the year. I'm thinking because I'm so asleep. But I mean, I am improving. Like look at this recap. Thanks to TikTok University. City. Okay. Let us catch it up. Yeah, my clock it. Yeah. I'm just gonna be cutting my hair because the okay, I'm no professional, so don't judge me. So I'm gonna be cutting. Don't look too bad. Not look too bad. Thank you. Alright, so I don't know if I even can take out this because I mean this thing is melted in my hair so much. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna be using maybe I should have just tried on the wig first and see where it fits me. Okay, it's working though. It's working. No. Yeah, all it takes after. Alright, guys. I'm gonna band it down now. Let's do this. 30 minutes now. Band it down and then I'll come. Alright, now I'm going to try to style the hair. Okay? I think I will be doing a side part, middle part. I don't know. I think I'm pretty with either, so. Keep it guys. Keep it. I mean, keep it. Let me try a center part and see how it looks. Let me try a center part. Maybe I will like it. Guys, when I see the center part, it never look good. I don't know if I the t-shirt I have on or just the ear and it just never look good. You know, that is giving hippie. You know, the 70s and the 60s hippie them, the people them are living in them like car, like them van and them play music all day and work and them just travel all around America at some look. So I say no sir, this not gonna work out. Me try na guys, me try. Me use the hot comb and I try to press it out, make it look flat. It just never look good for me. I don't know. I just it ain't a work. No sir. No see guys look. I say I press, but the ear not flat. It just never look good. The center part never do my face no justice at all, at all, at all. Alright, so I decided to switch it up a little bit and do a side part, cause you know my face gonna eat with a side part regardless. Someone else I'm gonna eat that down. So I use the wax stick to like paste it as I did before on the wig to paste it down, and then I hot comb it to make it flat and see if it's gonna fit my face right and eat. So that's the style I'm working with today. A side part. The makeup part is not doing my face any justice. I just don't like how it look on me, and that's just my preference. I don't like center part unless it's like a barber wig. I would like a center part, but like towels, no, no, no. Give me the side part. Give me the side part. Thank you. I mean, it actually looked nice to me. Just want to hold on a little bit more. Put some makeup there, and then that's pretty finished. So I have to use my little got to be glue. Fine. And then after we're gonna okay. So around 15. As he can say, that's all. I don't think I'm like that all, but this is the house I'm gonna come from. I did comb off everything. It's shedding all. Yeah, so guys, that has almost been an hour. It's not gonna be good now. I sprayed some spritz on it. So, yeah. Oh, not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. All right, time for this down now. All right, hack home. I'm gonna straight up the party. Guys, one thing with this, it sheds a lot. Look, it just keep on shedding. It sheds a lot. I don't know. It brings up my eye. You know, everybody has like on their body. I like my eyes. I love my eyes. I think I'm one of the most beautiful eyes in the world. I don't want. Okay. I'm never supposed to do like a fancy style with it since it's my birthday. Yes, Alex. Alex, simple stuff. Yeah. Alright, so I think I'm gonna curl it. I want to see if it looks straight. But I kind of like this look with no edges. I think it's a clean look. To me, it looks grown and mature, fun, elegant, classy. You know, if it has edges, it should be like subtle, not too much. Take away from the hairstyle. So like, that's my preference. I think I love drama edges. You know, I mean, it looks good sometimes, but it depends on the type of person you are. It's a lot. Just keep on shading. Just if you can see it. I don't know. It's just I don't have any after this one. Right? And I said it before, it sheds a lot hard. Mummy, do I have it there? What if it's not? Alright, I don't know if it's because of the color. Yeah. So, thing, it showed so much. Whatever. I mean, it's not straight. Like all the girlies, that's not really straight. I'm trying to get it straight. Okay. Wow, this is so good. So, look at it. As you can see, I'm very excited. Yeah, and it needs some bit of thing, a darker foundation to this around the peak. Let's go have some professional. Can I call some professional? Uh-huh. Yeah. Guys, every time I'm doing my wig, I have. I don't know if I'm even doing these edges correct. I don't even know. I don't even know, guys. Okay, so I'm not gonna be doing it right there, but maybe right here. I think I'm just gonna be doing the sides, like sideburns, because I really just don't like edges, and I'm super scared. So look at it like this. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna cut it long. You can always cut short. I don't want to cut it too short, and then it can't be fixed. So, okay, so this one, it's dry. Get that face melts, and let's see the final. Okay, I'm gonna cut the. Guys, after the edges are confusing me, I just say, alright, listen, I just do the sideburns. Look how I manage it. So I just stick to the sideburns, and it turned out quite cute to me, in my opinion. Yeah, so now I'm banding it and now blow drying it to make it dry. I kind of like clean up the party right here. Do more party. Let's go. Whew, nervous, guys. Ask me why? No, but I just want it to turn out like Near to good, near to perfect. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so this is the final result. I'm not mad. I feel pretty, and that's all that matters. I feel very beautiful, very girly. Yeah. I believe now, guys, it's a little lip gloss. I'm the bangle.
We know when the girl them beat out. Turn over. Come, make a reason.
Yes. Oh, yes. Who is this? Miss Shanae Bowes. Guys, I feel so free. I feel like I ate this up. I feel like I ate this up. I wish I get it back. As you can see, let me see. This is the hair. I can ask the butt, so I hope it looks good. That's ATE. 4 plus 4? 8. Girl, I feel like one of those girls on YouTube that looks pretty for the video. I know pretty, but I look extra pretty today. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.